Hello YouTube, this is teamotkfail here, and today we're going to be opening a battle pack, the little box. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hopefully we'll pull a lance, some lances, or a tour guide. That'll be really great. Let's see how to open this. Here's the mat. Opening right away. We'll start for Regeki, nice, and Grinosaurus. Pack. Goblinberg, Card Trooper, Go Boost, another Grinosaurus, and Reckless Greed. Not bad. Sorry if I'm like all over the place, guys. I've never actually opened one of these before. Oh, Night Assailant. Another Card Trooper. Starfoil, Mirror Force, and a Ryza. Cool. Not bad. Still hoping for a Lance. Ambitious Gophers. Starfoil and Divine Wrath. Enemy controller. Got a Magician, Ancient Gear Knight. Ooh, Starfoil, Heavy Storm, and another Grinosaurus. Voltic Kong and a Leviathan. Gene Werewolf, Miracle's Wake, and Blowback Dragon, Dragon. Oh, Fabled Raven for the Dark Road players.
I was trying to get one too.
We'll take on a Harpy's Feather Duster, nice. Start collecting band cards.
I'll keep that.
So far, no Lance. So Monarch nobody uses.
What does it even do?
Target tour, just pops back row. Wind Up Soldier for those gay wind up players. I'm kidding. A Breaker and a Gachi. So yeah, you guys have a quick little recap of the Starfalls. Got Breaker, Spell Shield Type 8, Voltic Kong, Miracle's Wake, another Voltic Kong, Heavy Storm, Ambitious Gopher, Mirror Force, Eco Boost, and Regeki. The Black Rares. Gachi, Mobius, Harpy's Feather Duster, Blowback Dragon, Leviathan, Grinosaurus, Divine Wrath, Ryza, and 2 more Grinosaurus. Alright you guys, so thanks for watching. Like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Later.